Here at the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, Samsung just presented its new top smartphone, the Galaxy S9, and I'm here with Henrik Kluge, product manager at Samsung, who's going to tell me something about the new smartphone. Henrik, Samsung, speaking of the camera reimagined, what's so special about this camera?
So we've taken the camera and redesigned it from the scratch. So what we did is we introduced an aperture mode, which means you have two physical lenses which change according to the light environment. So if you're in really low light, like in the night, you will have an aperture of f-stop 1.5, which has never been reached before in any Samsung device. Or if you're in bright sunlight, it will change automatically to the physical lens of 2.4, which is guaranteeing you to still have very clear and vivid images recorded.
Okay, and what else is there to know about this smartphone?
So aside to the ultra low light feature, we also have the ultra slow motion mode, which means you can record a video and record a sequence of 0.2 seconds duration and then extend it to 6 seconds duration in real time, which means you can make things visible which haven't been seen before. Aside to that, you can also use the camera to create a digital self of your own, which you can then use to share with your friends, with your beloved ones via social media or any common messaging app. So you have basically a new thing in your hand which you can use to express yourself.
Henrik, thank you very much for taking the time. And if you want to get this new smartphone in the best network, see our homepage or also take a look at the comment section where we're going to post the link.